The experience was very nice as it was my first time. So I had expected I would get some weird vibes that I didn't have any friends or anything. But when I came here and it was my first day, I got to know that my school friends were also there and many of them were there. I felt nice, and in Infinity Scholars Hub, I feel like this is just like my home. Like I can do whatever I want, I can say whatever I can, and I was feeling like I am like myself. Just like friends, like I can share anything to them and they just listen like my best friends listens. Before I joined the institute, I had marks between 60 to 70 range, but after I joined, it improved into 10. I had got less marks when I was in my 8th, but after I came here, I had gained many more marks and I was ahead of my topper in the class. It was in my math classes. In the first chapter, I was not understanding the topics, so I took one or two extra classes to understand the topics. And when my teacher explained it very politely and nicely, I got the topics very clear and I gained marks in the school. One of my weaknesses was writing with confidence in the exams. I was not able to frame sentences and was always nervous. But after I came into the institute, I got to know about my weaknesses, which I didn't knew, and gained confidence, wrote long answers which I couldn't write, and gained more marks. Yes, especially when it's before my exams. Yes, including Rahul sir, all the faculty teachers are available and I asked them to Microsoft Teams.